Yo, back to back. So today is another opportunity, and we are getting a lot of partnership. And today I want to show you this nice opportunity that you can claim 50K account. And remember, this account is going for only 3 people. So you can just try your luck to see how it's going to go with you. So you only need to perform some tactics in order to get this account. Remember, I treat this as one family. So if you're not in my Telegram channel right now, jump to the video description, click on the link there, and then you'll be taken to my Telegram channel here and just join. And the link is here. This current link is about the 50K account. You see, when you join my Telegram channel, the benefit is that any pro firm that is doing a giveaway which is limited to some number of people, or even know the deposit bonus which is limited to number of people, you get this information very quickly before it become viral on the internet. Okay, and remember, every single thing that I do is publicly available on the internet. You can go and do research about them before you engage with them. And remember, once you are engaging with this pro firm, this free pro firm, and then no deposit bonus, they are all virtual fund. They are not real money. You have to bear that in mind. They are all virtual funds. So don't think it's a real fund that you can withdraw. No, you have to trade and meet their trading requirements and all that before. If you qualify to withdraw, they will let you know. So let's get started. So yours is to just click on the link right here, and then it will take you to the page where you have to see how everything goes, okay, or the procedures you have to follow in order to claim this account, okay. So let's wait as this platform load. So the promo is ongoing on X. Okay, so I shared this on X. So when you go to X, you see all the procedures down there, and then you just follow, and then you'll be ready to get into this random pick giveaway. Okay, so let's wait at this load. All right. Oh, this is it. So this is it. I shared it right here. So what you have to do is you have to follow the figure. Okay, so you just click on it and follow Kelly Aqua features and also follow Aqua features. Okay, you have to follow these 3 accounts, and then what is the next thing to do? You have to like and retweet this post and then tag 3 friends. Okay, so to follow, just click on the @ sign here with the name. And then when you click on it, it will take you to the next page where you just have to click follow. You come back and do same for the rest 2 of the account. Okay. So right here, you just have to click and follow. Okay. For this, it's my own account, so I can't do that. So as I'm getting partnership with a lot of pro firm now, guys, I promise you guys that there is a time it's going to be a straight giveaway too. So make sure you follow me on all social media as well in order to get this account. So you follow this person to Kelly Tate, you will just have to click on it, Kelly Aqua feature, and then you click on follow like that. So you come back and do next for the other person too, and then like the post. So when you come, you just click on like. Okay, you just like it right here like somebody did already. So you just like. After that, you do what? You repost or retweet. Okay, so you just click right, and then you do that. So you just click on repost and do that, and you can also share as well to your friend to do. And the winner is going to announce in 72 hours. So take note, I'll only announce this on my uh Twitter page and also on the YouTube channel. So you have to take note of that, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications so that you can receive notifications for me. So this is what I have for you guys today. It's very simple. You have to partake in this 350K giveaway account. I remember everything is going to go on well. If you don't have money to purchase account, this is the only way to get accounts to trade with. See you guys. Remember, I drop video onto the channel every single day. So if this one does not interest you, just wait. A lot of opportunity has been dropped on this channel. So just wait for your turn. Goodbye.